As you know that we have finished the prescribed chapters of the books, the David Copperfield and the Rainbow, part 1. Now we have started grammar and narration has been already done. Today we are going to learn agreement between subject and verb. Now, it is a basic rule that the singular subject takes singular verb in a sentence and plural subject takes plural verb in a sentence. But sometimes it is very difficult to know the real number of the subject because the forms of the subject are so different. Different subjects are connected, sometimes with conjunction, sometimes with preposition, and sometimes with conjunction phrase. And then the singularity and plurality of the subject becomes very difficult to know. So, we will discuss today the real problems of this matter. The general rule is when more than one subject are connected with an, the verb is in the plural number. For example, Ram and Shyam are students. Sita and Geeta are two girls. If the subject is singular, Ram is a boy. Ram is singular, so the verb is singular. And Sita and Geeta, Ram and Shyam, they are plural, connected with the conjunction and. But when more than one subjects are connected with an, but the meaning of that connected subjects is only one thing, then the verb is singular. For example, horse and carriage. Horse and carriage. Two subjects, horse and carriage, are connected by the conjunction and. But this means only one thing. Horse and carriage means one thing. It is a vehicle. So, the verb it is in singular number is, has, or was. Again, such kinds of pair, pros and cons, it is a phrase. Pros and cons, it is also singular. Rice and curry. Rice and curry. Curry, it is a kind of food. Singular food. That is why. Now, bread and butter. Bread and butter. These words are connected by and, but they take only singular verbs. Singular verbs. Again, when the name of a proper noun, the names of a book, a novel, of any poem, the title of the poem, of a drama, of a place, may be connected by and. For example, Romeo and Juliet. It is a drama written by Shakespeare. So, Romeo and Juliet Romeo is the hero of that play and Juliet is the heroine. When Romeo and Juliet are two persons in the context, then they take plural number. But when it is used for the name of the drama, Romeo and Juliet, then it takes singular number. Singular number. Same is the case. There is a Hindi film, Ram and Shyam, Sita and Gita. If the Sita and Gita stands for the name of the film, or Ram and Shyam stands for the name of the film, it takes singular number. But when they stand for those persons, they take plural number. Same is the case. Proper noun, it may be in plural numbers. The words may be in plural numbers. A great drama, English drama, is Frogs. But it's the name of a book. Frogs. It takes only singular number because it is the name of a drama. Now, the different subjects are joined by prepositions. Then it is very difficult to know the real number of that subject. So the basic rule is when more than one subjects are connected with more than one preposition, the verb will be in the number of the first subject. तो कहाँ तक आया था? Example, the friend of Ram and Mohan. Ram and Mohan is now no more. The verb, the friend of Ram and Mohan. The first preposition is of, and before it the word is friend, so it takes the verb in singular number. Is singular number. Same is the case with two sisters of Mohan are in. The first preposition in this connection is of, and before it the words, the subject is two sisters. This is in plural number, and so the verb is in plural number are. How? A car of Ram with three persons was kidnapped yesterday. There are two prepositions of and with in this subject, but the first preposition is of, and before it there is a singular number of subject car, so the subject is was in singular number. There is an exception, but there is an exception of this rule. This exception is the number of and a number of. The number means the number, but a number of is a phrase. It means more than one. more than one. So, in this, a number of boys are walking. A number of boys, in this case, the number is in singular number, but the verb is in plural number. A number of boys are walking, but the number of boys is very short today. Short. The number of takes singular verb, but a number of takes plural verb. This is the exception of the prepositional matter. When more than one subjects are connected with either or, neither nor, then the verb is according to the nearest subject of the verb. For example, either Ram or his sisters are coming to me. The nearest subject is sisters in plural number. That is why the verb is in plural number. Same case is with the neither nor. Neither Mohan nor his uncles were present in the meeting. The nearest subject is from the verb is uncles. That is why the verb is in the plural number. Either or and neither nor. But distributive adjective is added with a noun or pronoun. The verb is always in singular number. It may be connected with and. Even then the verb will be in singular number. Every boy and every girl. Every boy and every girl was present in the class. Every boy and every girl. Every is a distributive adjective and the boy is with connected with every, so the verb is in singular number. Now we will do these things in the next class.